Hey everyone, my name is Gwyn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this vibrant everyday makeup look.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be.
First off, I'm priming my face with the Sunblock by VMV Hypoallergenics, and what I love about this product is that it has the consistency of a moisturizer, but it doesn't leave a white cast in your face.
She's a
For my brows, I'm using the Brow Zings by Benefit, and I use the pomade one first to outline my brows, especially at the tips, and then I use the powder to fill in the gaps, especially on areas where my hair is sparse.
get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't.
So since I haven't waxed my brows in such a long time, I'm just cleaning it up with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer using this foundation brush by Real Techniques.
You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back.
Going in with foundation, I'm using the Benefit Hello Happy Foundation, which I am loving at the moment. I like that it doesn't clog up my pores, and it also doesn't make my skin look super oily throughout the day. So I like to distribute the product with this brush first, and then I go in with blending it all out with this beauty blender by some store from Beauty Manila, but it is working really well even though this product was like super cheap. Next up is concealer, and I still use the same one by Maybelline. I apply this under my eyes, on my nose bridge, in between my eyebrows, also on top of my lip, on my lower lip, on my pimples. There's just a lot of places, and then I blend it all out with this brush first, and then going again with a beauty blender. To set my concealer, I'm using the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder.
Searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you.
And now for the most heartbreaking part of this video.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
For my eyeshadow look, I am using the Sweet Talk palette by Colourpop. Taking the shade Work It, I am applying this all over my lid. It has a very neutral and pinkish tone, which is perfect as a base. Taking a warmer shade, I'm using this one called Meadow, and using a smaller brush, I am blending it out on my outer creases, slowly going inward. Now I'm taking this darker pinkish and brownish shade. It's called ICYMI, and I'm blending it on my outer creases again and slowly going inward. I'm still using the same brush because I find that this one provides more definition to my eyes. By focusing on the outer corners of my eye, it gives more depth and definition to my eyelids, and I'm also bringing the color down to my lower lash line to just even out the color distribution.
With nothing else to do.
Now using a fluffy blending brush, I am taking ICYMI again, and I'm just adding more color to my outer corners.
Dog was gone too. So what do I do?
So since I don't have a pencil liner, I am tightlining my eyes with the darkest shade of the palette. It's called Feel Free. I'm applying this on my upper lash line. And now for my favorite part, I'm applying this sparkly shade called Garden Date on the inner corners of my eye and blending it towards the middle.
It gave me sight unseen, and suddenly I knew what was on.
Back at it again with Feel Free, I am using this to create a wing on the outer corners of my eye, which will serve as a guide for my eyeliner. And now using the K Palette Relasting Eyeliner in the shade Brown Black, I'm using this to line my eyes. It takes a lot of practice to do this right. I'm trying to get the hang of it now, but still, mistakes are inevitable, so if ever you make a mistake, it's alright. Just get a Q-tip and just wipe it all off, okay?
What do I do?
Prepping my lashes, I'm just curling them and going in with mascara. Going in with falsies, I am using these ones that I got from Beauty Manila, and these are called Sophia by Lash Bar Inc. And I am super obsessed with falsies these days. It makes such a huge difference to your look. Like, look at that.
We'll spend nights, cheap red wine. Look at flats even though we can't.
Next up is bronzer, and I'm applying the Benefit Hoola Bronzer below my cheekbones and also my forehead, and of course, on my nose bridge because we gotta make it look snatched.
Even when you wanna walk away.
For my favorite part, I'm using the Happy Skin On The Go blush and I'm applying it on my cheeks. Using the Glossier Haloscope highlighter, I just apply it on the high points of my face, including my cheekbones, my nose bridge, on top of my lips, and also on my eyebrows. For the lips, I'm using the Lucas Papao ointment to moisturize it first. And then I'm going in with the Sunnies Face Fluffmate, Girl Crush, and Vacay. And essentially I just mix both shades, but I apply Girl Crush first. And then I'm going in with Vacay, also blending it in the same manner. And that's it. I really love the color payoff and it's super amazing. And this is the final look. Personally, this has become my go-to look whenever I'm making a TikTok or posing for Instagram. I love how the colors blend so well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
I don't wanna let you down.